For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can change text size in Figma. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to figma.com and log in to your Figma account. Once logged in, you can either select a project that you've been working on, or you can start a new one by clicking one of the choices right here. But for this video, I am going to open this untitled project. Now, for us to begin, let's first add a text on our design. So, let's go to the bottom panel and click on this icon right here, and then click anywhere on the screen. Then, let's type in our text. Let's zoom in a bit. As you can see, I type in workspace. Now, the first thing that we need to do is to highlight the text that we want to change the font size. And then we're going to set our sights to the right panel. And then we're going to scroll down until we see right here under typography. Here is our current text font size. So by clicking on this arrow, a drop-down menu will appear and we can easily select a new font size for our text. So you can see it's now changed. Now, another way to do that is double click right here on this number and then use your up or down key on your keyboard and you will see the font size adjust, and once you're done adjusting, simply click on enter. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!